I'm Sarah Marie with Sarah Marie Fitness, and today I'm going to show you an amazingly filling and tasty recipe for a homemade pizza. And if you're looking for recipes, other fitness tips, workouts, inspiration, and challenges so that you get all of the videos that are coming. The crust, which is a sandwich thin, barbecue sauce as the sauce, got a serving of pineapple slices put on here and some chicken for protein. I'm gonna add some feta cheese, a little bit of pizza blend cheese or regular mozzarella cheese because I want that meltiness. Fills that craving without a whole ton of calories if I just put a little bit on there. And then to top it all off, I like to throw some balsamic vinegar on there and sprinkle it on top. So I want to take a minute and talk about the nutrition that was in this pizza. We started with the sandwich thin, then we added the barbecue sauce, the pineapple, the chicken, and the pizza cheese, and the feta cheese, and the balsamic vinegar. So when you add it all together, you're at 370 calories for a filling dinner. It's 46 grams of carbs, only 10 grams of fat between all of the different things. And by the way, I'm getting all of this information from my Fitness Pal, which is what I use to keep track of all of my food. Not a paid sponsorship. And the Big Whopper at 31 grams of protein. So if you track your macros, then your protein intake is really good there, especially because you want to get about 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight in order to maintain. And if you're looking to increase muscle mass, you want a little bit more. All in all, it's a great pizza. It's low calorie, it's filling, and iron, which is always something that I'm struggling to keep up with. If you have any great pizza ideas, leave a description down below in the comments. Just kind of describe it, like what you put on it, what you use in it. I'd love to know because I'm always looking for good ideas. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. Click the like button so that you can check out more videos that I've got. And I've got a link in the end screen here of some videos that I recommend. See you in the next video.